Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the third problem in 6.1 in first problem, third one. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So here the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So in exercise 6.1, in first exercise, third problem. Okay. So cost of digging 1 meter. 1 meter, if it is digged inside, for first 1 meter he took how much rupees? It cost 150 rupees. For first 1 meter it cost 150 rupees. Rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Means cost of digging, suppose 2 meters if he digged inside. So 2 meters can be written as 1 plus 1 or not. For first 1 meter it costs 150 rupees. Subsequent, next onwards it should be raised by 50 rupees. So the cost of digging 2 meters depth down, it gives 200 rupees. Now cost of digging 3 meters. If 3 meters, if it is digged, again 3 meters you have to write as 1 plus 2. Why you have to write separate 1 means, for first meter it costs 150 rupees. It won't change. So subsequent meters, how many are there? 2. For each subsequent meter 150 rupees. 2 into 50. So you are getting 150 plus 100. How much you are getting? 250 rupees. Now for 1 meter, for 2 meters, for 3 meters, these values if you write as a progression, you are getting 150, 200, 250, etc. Now these values forms AP or not, you have to check it. So how to check the given progression is in AP or not? So first do A2 minus A1. What is A2? Second term. Second term is 200. What is A1? First term, 150. From 200, if you subtract 150, the answer you are getting is 50 rupees. Now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 you should not write like this. It is not A3. It is also not A3. A3, how you have to write? A is somewhat big, 3 letters should be small and it should be like suffix. Okay. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is third term in the progression, that is 250, minus A2 is second term in the progression, 200. From 250, if you subtract 200, you are getting 50. So what you are observing? A2 minus A1, how much you are getting? A3 minus A2 also you are getting same. Means common difference is same. So what I said, if common difference is same, it forms AP, I said already. So it is in AP. Okay. Next we will go for fourth problem in this one. What is fourth problem? See it once. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest rate 8% per annum. So this is an 8th class problem. Principal is 10,000 rupees. Time 1 year. Rate of interest per annum they given as, how much they given? 8% per annum. Now compound interest. we have two types of interest. One is simple interest, the other is compound interest. So compound interest means amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. In this, A stands for amount, P stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest, n stands for number of years. Now after finding AP, from amount if you subtract principal you are getting compound interest. Principal already you know it. Now if you calculate by substituting all the values P, R, N in this, you will get amount. That amount minus principal, if you do, compound interest will come. But he is not asking compound interest. He is asking amount. Amounts you have to write as a progression. Amounts you have to write as a progression. So now if he kept 1 year, so A is equals to P into 1 plus R means here 8 by 100 whole power 1 I written. Means P means again 10,000. 8 by 100 means 4 2s are 4 25s are. LCM if I do 27 by 25 I will get it. Again 25 table, 25 ones are, 25 400s are. 27 means 10,800. So what I got is I got 10,800 rupees. What is this? It is amount after keeping 1 year for rate of interest 8%. The principal is 10,000 for compound interest. So starting in this progression, starting it will be 10,000 only. For 1 year compound interest is what? 10,800. So if you want to find out next year, you can take 1 year but principal should be changed. What is principal here? 10,800. Okay. So if you want to take principal as 10,000 and 2 years if you want to take, you have to use this formula. Now for 2 years, that is amount is equals to principal is 10,000, 1 plus R means here 8 by 100. Here I am writing 2 because after 2 years. Now what will happen is again 4 2s are 4 25s are. I am getting 10,000. Okay. It is 27 by 25 whole square I am getting. So square is there, you can't cancel here. 10,000. Okay. 27 by 25 into 27 by 25. Now 25 ones are, 25 400s are, 5 5s are, 5 80s are, 5 ones are, 5 16s are. So now 27 into 27 if you do it, 7 7s are 49, 9 4 14, 189, 54, 9 2, 729 you are getting. Again 729 should be multiplied with 16. 6 9 is 54, 4 5, 12, 17, 1, 43, 729, 4, 16, 6, 11. So you are getting 11,664. So this principal, if you keep 2 years, the amount becomes 11,664. Now here I have written 11,664, etc. So in place of n, if you keep 3, you will get one more number. If you keep 4, you will get another number. Like this, if you are going on, you will get some amounts. So these amounts forms AP or not if you want to check. A2 minus A1 if you do it, you are getting clearly 800. So for this 800 if you add, you are getting 11,600 only, but 64 is extra. Means if you subtract A3 minus A2, from A3 if you subtract A2, you won't get 800. How much you are getting? 864 you are getting. So it is not forming AP. It is not forming AP. Next, Second question we will see what is the given. Write first four terms of AP when the first term is A and common difference is D are given as follows. They given A is equals to 10, D is equals to 10 given. What he is asking, first four terms of AP. He is asking you have to find A1, A2, A3, A4. You have to find first four terms. You have to find the four terms in this AP. So he given A and D. What I said to you, A and A1 are equal. I said means first term and A are same. Now the formula to be used. What formula you have to use? Formula to be used. What formula you have to use? A n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D you have to use. So A1 no need of finding. A1 is equals to A is equals to 10. Already we know it. So we have to start from A2 onwards. So here A2. Compare here n in place of n what you are writing here 2. Right side also where n is there you have to write 2 only. And A is given. What is A here? 10. So in place of A I wrote 10. After A what you are seeing? Plus I written. Next brackets are there. Brackets I kept it. N is there. In place of n what I have to write? 2. 2 minus 1. Brackets closed. D is there. I should not write D. In question D is equals to what they given? 10. So if you know this step how to write it, substitutions is correct. Now this A2 keep it like that only. No need of writing. This 10 okay. Plus okay. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 10. So 10 plus 1 tens are 10 only. 10 plus 10 is 20. So what you got A2? A2 you got as 20. Next you have to get A3. You should get A3. Formula is this only. A and D values 10 and 10 only. But in place of n you have to write 3. So 10 plus 3 minus 1 into 10. Because an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is there. Now this 10 as it is keep it. Why I am simplifying first in brackets means BODMAS rule. This is very important. First you have to simplify inside the brackets. 3 minus 1 that is 2 into 10. Now 10 BODMAS first multiplication. 10 plus 2 tens are 20. 10 plus 20 30. What is A3? 30. Now I want A4. It is very easy. A4 is equals to A plus A4 is equals to A plus A means again no need of writing A. A means you can write 10 or not. So 10 plus 4 minus 1 into 10. 10 plus 3 into 10. 10 plus 30. How much you got here? 40. So like this you have to do as a problem. First of all, the main important formula is last term or nth term of a progression, arithmetic progression. So sometimes they'll ask L. L stands for last term. An, nth term. Nth term and last term are same. Formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we will go with the next problem in this. What is the next problem? Say it once. The next problem is decimals one I will say. A is equals to minus 1.25. D is equals to minus 0.25. A given, D given. What you have to do is, you have to find first four terms. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. First four terms means first term already they given. A1 is minus 1.25, it is given. We have to calculate A2 onwards. A2 is equals to A. A means I have to write minus 1.25. N means 2. 2 minus 1. D means minus 0.25. Now minus 1.25 same. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into this one. Same will come minus 0.25. Why I wrote minus? Plus into minus is minus. Both are minus means minus, keep it, add these two. If you add, you are getting 1.50. So A2 is minus 1.50. Next, if you go for A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A is minus 1.25. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 0.25. It is minus 1.25 minus 0.50. Both are minus, so I have to keep minus here. 1.75. Okay, A4. A4 means A plus 4 minus 1 into D. A means minus 1.25. 3 into minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 minus 0.75. So if you are adding, you are getting 2, minus 2. So like this you can write first 4 terms. We will see in the next class. Okay.